Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I am excited to share with you guys this delightful find for all the stylish ladies out there. This is the Allegra K Hawaiian shirt. This floral top adorned with leaves and tropical patterns have quickly become one of my favorite shirts. My favorite thing about this shirt is the silhouette. I think that it has a very flattering silhouette. I've worn Hawaiian t-shirts before and they've just looked too boxy on me. But what I love about this one is the low cut V-neck. I also love the collar and how it's cut here. And I also love the cuffs on the sleeves. What truly sets this shirt apart from others is the attention to detail. I really love that the buttons are the same fabric as the rest of the shirt. So there's no white buttons breaking up the pattern of the shirt. It effortlessly blends into the shirt. Whether you're going to the beach, going for a casual brunch, or just embracing the vacation vibe, I think that this shirt nails the tropical vibe effortlessly. And I find that it's extremely comfortable. I like the loose fit. It allows the breeze to flow through my shirt, and I think the fabric is really soft. So if you're looking for a tropical shirt that combines style and comfort with versatility, I think this is a good choice. And that's my point of view.